I didn't ask actually. Dada called me and he said that मैं ये मेट्रो कर रहा हूँ, तेरे को करना है क्या? मैं तेरे को बता देता हूँ कि क्या है. उन्होंने ठीक है बता दो. बोलते मैं कहानी बताता हूँ. और वो कुछ बोल रहे थे. 15-20 मिनट तक वो बोले. मेरा नेटवर्क खराब था. अब मुझे समझ में नहीं आया कि मैं उनको बोलूँ कि दादा सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. तो ऐसे हाँ दादा मैं कर रही हूँ. So it was that
You don't even know what you signed up for.
So you mind doing a character which is short, but अगर उसमें depth नहीं है और clear arc नहीं है तो then फायदा नहीं. जैसे I know ये register नहीं हुआ लोगों को, but in Dangal I come after intermission.
Correct.
But a lot of people think that I've been there throughout the film, which is not true.
Yeah.
But it's written in such a way that the presence is there. But I actually come in after, like during intermission, at the intermission.
What clicked in your head that you thought we should become actors? क्योंकि कहाँ हमारे वो जमाने में पेरेंट्स बोलते थे हटो पढ़ाई करो.
Also देखो वो बेचारे माइग्रेंट्स थे. वो जम्मू कश्मीर से आए थे. हम लोग रहते थे कमालिस्तान के बाजू में. तो वो थे ना कि शूटिंग देखने आए. तो वो लोग हर शाम को शूटिंग देखने आते थे. क्योंकि कमालिस्तान में होता ही था. पापा के दोस्त स्टूडियो वाले दोस्त बन गए थे जो मैनेज करते थे. एंड आई थिंक समबडी कोई कास्टिंग वाला हुआ कह रहे आप अपने बच्चों को डाल दो एक्टिंग में. तो मैंने बोला हाँ. सो आई थिंक इट जस्ट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम देयर. सानिया एंड आई वी वर डूइंग दंगल. ड्यूरिंग द शूट आमिर हैड सम स्पीच टू गिव टू सम स्टूडेंट्स. ठीक है. और हम लोग ऐसे पपलू के जैसे दो बच्चे बैठे हुए हैं छोटे बाल बॉय कट. और वो बच्चों ने कुछ सवाल पूछ रहे. दे लार्जली आस्किंग हिम. And suddenly a question was posed to me and Sania तो फिर भी सुन रही थी. मैं तो सुन नहीं रही थी. तो मैं ऐसे हाँ मैंने लाइफ में कभी पब्लिक स्पीकिंग नहीं की. मैंने लाइफ में कभी मैं स्टेज पे नहीं गई थी. तो when you're suddenly there's a mic in front of you ना, I was so nervous. मेरा हार्ट मेरे मुंह तक आ गया था. जबकि वहाँ पे मीडिया नहीं है, कोई नहीं, बच्चे हैं. Even then I didn't know. And that I am learning now. When I go to a party, I'm always anxious. I stand in one corner like I wish I would smoke. क्योंकि if you're smoking, at least standing out and you can be alone.
Correct.
तो अगर कोई इंसान स्मोक कर रहा है, अगर वो अकेला खड़ा है और वो स्मोक कर रहा है, कोई उसको क्वेश्चन नहीं करेगा. बट अगर मैं ऐसी खड़ी हूँ साइड में, मैं देख रही हूँ, लोगों को लगेगा मैं सैड हूँ. बट एक्चुअली मैं सैड नहीं हूँ. मेरे को एक तो बोर हो रहा है, दूसरा कोई इंटरेस्टिंग है नहीं पार्टी में जिससे मैं बात करूँ. और मुझे दो शब्द नहीं एक्सचेंज करने फालतू में, एक स्मॉल टॉक.
You turned vegetarian by choice or were you always vegetarian?
No, मतलब मेरे तो मीट खाते हैं भाई, मुसलमान लोग हैं. नहीं, बट वो हलाल होते हुए देखा था यार बचपन में. You take care of the बकरी, प्यार करते हैं, and then you halal it. And for a child to see that, basically you're killing my empathy. Why would you do? You're desensitizing me.
Yeah.
तो वो उसके बाद सदमा लग गया. पहले तो मटन छोड़ा, फिर लगा के किसी ने बोला मटन भी, चिकन को भी तो दुख होता है. मैंने बात तो सही कही. चिकन छोड़ा, फिर लगा कि यार मच्छी भी छोड़ ही देते हैं. उसको भी लगता होगा बुरा, उसको भी दर्द तो होता ही है. मच्छी आवाज़ नहीं करती है लेकिन
पेन तो हो रहा है.
होता ही है. तो मच्छी के साथ थोड़ा मेरा है. I give in and I sometimes I have fish, sometimes I don't, but I have my phases. But meat तो I don't.
I don't have like a 2 a.m. friend from the industry, exceptionally.
No, I अगर कभी ऐसा हो तो मैं करती हूँ. Then there is AK अनिल सर. अगर कभी लाइफ में कोई चाहिए कि कोई आपको
AK अनिल सर और आमिर खान. I'm confused. अनिल कपूर.
Everybody calls him AK.
Yeah.
So अगर लाइफ में whenever you're low and you want ऐसा somebody to hype, he is the man.
Yeah, Lakhan.
He is the man. कुछ नहीं, you're the best. I'm like हाँ, okay, I'm the best. Yes, I'm the best. पहले I'm showing I'm the best. No, I'm the best. So it's amazing to speak to him. He's a great guy.
Yeah.
And there's just so much of positivity that he exudes.
True.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
So I love him.
Hello everyone, welcome to the headline and the byline with me, Hesha Chima. Joining me here for a conversation today is somebody whose journey feels kind of personal because I've known her from before, and then to see her now shine and do what she's doing, I have a lot going on in my mind which I can't wait to ask her and chat with her about. I've got with me none other than Fatima Sana Sheikh.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Good. After that, you've given me your lipstick to wear.
You're feeling that vibe.
Suddenly, जग गई मैं.
जग गए हो आप. हाँ, because you had such a hectic day, na?
I did, you know.
Yeah, a day of promotions can get a little tasking, right? But tell me something, as actors, so you all are used to working for longer hours, na?
When
Nice.
was the last time I did any sort of promotions? My two films had come during the time of COVID. वो time पे कुछ promotions हो नहीं रहा था.
हाँ.
Amazon, Netflix कुछ खास promotions करते नहीं हैं. ठग्स को बहुत साल हो गए and even Dangal they didn't do a lot of promotions.
Yeah.
So I've never done promotions the way we are doing promotions right now.
Right now. And how does this feel at this point?
It's interesting. I'm enjoying this also. Because also we have a great cast.
Yeah.
तो सबकी एनर्जी अच्छी है, मस्ती ज़्यादा होती है. क्योंकि I think अकेले हो तो शायद ज़्यादा taxing हो जाए.
That's true.
But I think even T-Series has planned it very well.
Yeah.
You were there, no?
I was there for
the
both
trailer
the.
launch.
I was there for the trailer launch also, and I was
also
there for the song
so
launch
nice.
also. Both the whole events were like so
So
soulful.
nice.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
also, I feel as a producer, if you're so invested. That's
Yeah.
what I was telling somebody, that Bhushan as a producer is so invested. I didn't know that he's that kind of a producer. I didn't know that he would have conversations with you, के call करके बात करके अच्छा ये है वो है discuss करना जो ज़रूरी है नहीं. Some manager can do that, and that's how usually people do.
Yeah.
So it's really nice to see somebody who's so hands-on, and then you see it. I mean, he's one of the top producers for a reason.
True.
और वो मुझे आज realize हो रहा है क्योंकि हमें लगता है कि हाँ इतने सारे projects बनते होंगे, इन लोगों को interest नहीं होता होगा. But actually they are very invested.
Yeah. Also because the film is coming with so
Correct.
much, I feel एक pressure एक बहुत अलग word होता है, but I feel the
Yeah.
amount of love that one's looking out for
Yeah.
this film is क्योंकि Metro got so much
I
love.
think that too.
Yeah. I feel like the audiences have that expectation, and I feel
Yeah.
even the makers come from that space कि यार हमें deliver करना है.
Correct,
You know, and of course with Anurag we kind of know that he's not going to disappoint us
Yeah.
in any way.
Yeah.
And I love the fact that he's so involved and so enthused as
But
well.
he is, no?
Yeah,
Isn't
he
he?
was amazing even during the
he's
whole.
so sweet.
Yeah, it was well planned. It was well thought
Yeah.
of, and I guess as actors also even during the launch when you all got real time responses.
Yeah.
Like sure it's a room full of journalists,
Yeah.
but
No,
people
but
were very
also
warm.
because जब हमने खुद रिहर्सल्स देखी, उससे पहले हम लोग हैं जब हमने रिहर्सल्स देखी हमने oh my god this is so special.
Yeah.
Who does that? इतना एफर्ट, क्योंकि ट्रेलर लॉन्च तो ऐसे भी होता है, हमने सबने किया है, सैम के लिए भी किया है, बहुत सारी फिल्मों के लिए किया है, जो दिखाते हैं ट्रेलर वो भी स्पेशल होता है. बड़ी स्क्रीन में अपना ट्रेलर देखना बहुत स्पेशल होता है. बट इस तरीके से पूरा इट्स लाइक अ म्यूजिकल एंड दे did it like that, and
Yeah.
it was all planned, and it was so beautiful. Even वो सामने जो पर्दा था, I
Yeah.
really enjoyed it.
Yeah, and I love the fact when somebody said that it's like the wall between reality
Yeah.
and dreams.
Yeah,
It's just
it's
so
so
beautiful.
true.
Yeah. Okay, I want to dive little bit into your character as well,
Yeah.
right? I feel like when we saw the trailer as well, I mean, not because you're sitting here, but I said that even at that point when I saw it, I related to your character the
Yeah.
most.
Yeah.
Because maybe ऐसे ही हो, you kick me off the wrong way, you be ready for one chamat, and
Yeah.
like for one liner which is going to really prick you down where it has to prick
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
You know, but when it hurts you, it's not the ego. We operate from self-respect and
correct,
self-esteem,
correct.
right? How did you sort of envelope those shades for yourself? Like,
It was just interesting क्योंकि also I didn't know how the character would unfold because मोटा मोटी दादा ने बताया था कि ये कहानी है. He did tell us what the story is, what the world we are diving into. बट एग्जैक्टली क्या डायनामिक है, एग्जैक्टली क्या सीन्स है, वो मुझे पता नहीं थे. एंड आई वॉज लर्निंग एज वी वर डूइंग द सीन्स एंड आई रियली एन्जॉयड इट क्योंकि इतने सारी जो भी दादा के साथ जब आप काम करो ना, बहुत सारी चीज़ मस्ती में हो जाती है. आपको पता नहीं है कि आप इतना इंटेंस सीन करने वाले हो, आप आते हो, वो बताते, यू डू इट एंड देन यू नो सी इट ऑन स्क्रीन. ओ या आई डन दिस, ओ दिस इज व्हाट इट फील्स लाइक, बिकॉज इन द मोमेंट यू जस्ट एन्जॉय, यू आर जस्ट प्लेइंग.
True.
So ऐसा कुछ thought नहीं था कि how did I do it. I just went and I did it, and I enjoyed it. I was in the moment. I had fun, and that's that.
Okay. So when you got to know that you're a part of the film, who all were already locked for the film that you were aware of?
I didn't ask actually. Dada called me and he said that मैं ये मेट्रो कर रहा हूँ, तेरे को करना है क्या? मैं तेरे को बता देता हूँ कि क्या है. मैंने ठीक है बता दो. बोलते मैं कहानी बताता हूँ. और वो कुछ बोल रहे थे 15-20 मिनट तक. वो बोले, मेरा नेटवर्क खराब था. अब मुझे समझ में नहीं आया कि मैं उनको बोलूँ कि दादा सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. तो ऐसे हाँ 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 दादा मैं कर रही हूँ. So it was that.
You don't even know what you signed up for.
So you know, people say that he doesn't give narrations and all, but he gave a narration. It's
Yeah.
just that I couldn't hear it.
It's just you didn't have to hear it
I
at all.
didn't know what I'm getting into because the network was so bad.
Yeah.
But what was the question? I forgot.
But this only, did you know who else were a part
No,
of
I
the
didn't.
film?
I didn't.
And you just jumped in because you know
didn't
it was
care.
Anurag. Because also you worked with him before, so you sort of
See,
knew his
with
style.
Dada, you must know one thing. It doesn't matter how small or big the role is. it will be an impactful role.
But does it matter for you? The length of a role?
No, the depth of the character matters. I don't mind doing a character which is short, but अगर उसमें depth नहीं है और clear arc नहीं है तो then फायदा नहीं है. जैसे if I know ये register नहीं हुआ लोगों को, but in Dangal I come after intermission.
Correct.
But a lot of people think that I've been there throughout the film, which is not true.
Yeah.
But it's written in such a way that the presence is there. But I actually come in after, like during intermission, at the intermission point. So that I have realized कि matter ही नहीं करता.
So then how are you this secure person when you know that, okay, maybe probably in my debut film only I'm going to be
Yeah.
coming after the interval, or let's say in an ensemble cast like Metro,
Yeah.
there are going to be characters which are going to take
Yeah.
their own space and attention, right? How do you sort of as an actor then feel कि मैं stand out कर पाऊंगी या नहीं कर पाऊंगी? ये thoughts आते हैं?
पहले आते थे, अब तो वो भी नहीं आते. अब जैसे with दादा you surrender. अभी if it is written in a certain way and performed in a certain way, you hope that you know it resonates with people. Here there are incredible. When I see the trailer, I'm like every time Pankaj Tripathi and Coco come on screen, you're like rooting for them.
Yeah.
Now, you can't compete with them.
Yeah.
The character is written in such a way. They are such strong performers. They bring in वो उनकी personality है. पंकज त्रिपाठी का रोल अगर कोई और करता वो वैसा होता ही नहीं. इट इज द वे इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ हिम.
Correct.
So you enjoy their presence and hopefully like I have done a good job so that people also resonate with it.
Sure.
In the end it's the writing. I have realized कि हाँ performance भी होनी चाहिए, but in the end it's the director's medium and editing has a lot to play too. तो अगर director बेस्ट शॉट ले लेगा तो आपका अच्छा हो जाएगा. अगर डायरेक्टर ने चूज किया कि सारे खराब या जो भी है, you know how it is. So a good performer can also look like a bad performer if not directed well.
Are you somebody as an actor जो जाके अपने टेक के बाद मॉनिटर में देखता है कि मैंने क्या किया है?
नहीं
You're chill about
नहीं,
it.
आई एम चिल अबाउट इट. नाउ अगर मेरे को इनवाइट करते तो मैं देख लेती हूँ, बट नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ नॉट फॉर कि हाउ आई एम लुकिंग, बट कि अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस में और क्या कर सकते हैं और क्या खेल सकती हूँ. ये भी क्रिटिसाइज भी नहीं, बट कि और क्या कर सकते हैं और क्या इंटरेस्टिंग कर सकते हैं, स्पेस को कैसे खेल सकते हैं, बस उसके लिए.
कौन सी ऐसी परफॉर्मेंस होगी? आई एम श्योर दंगल गिव यू व्हाट इट had to give you because of the film and the
Yeah.
work that you all both put in, and of course the whole production. But what was the one role for you that you really felt that doorways opened for you right after, or you still feel you're still waiting for
No,
that project?
I mean, I'm still working. I get appreciation when I do projects, but pata nahi. I mean, I would like to do a lot more work and explore different characters, a little more intense and layered characters, but I think that will happen at its own time. I'm doing my job of doing my projects and being earnest and honest. उसके बाद तो भाई अपने हाथ में नहीं है.
तो gap किधर है? Where do you feel there is a gap?
I wasn't doing as many projects.
By choice?
By choice. By choice. I wanted to take things slow. I wanted to travel. At one point, I wanted to move to the mountains. So I was going through my own
That's
thing.
all of us
है
at
ना?
this age. We are like कि
Start my
निकलो यहाँ
cafe.
से. Oh yeah.
I was in that zone.
I also want to start my cafe and sell jewelry, the bohemian
Oh,
jewelry.
nice.
That's my dream.
That's sweet.
After like 45, but
You
अभी
can
10
do it
साल
now
के बाद.
also.
फिर ये सब कौन करेगा? मैं बचा रही हूँ पैसे ताकि लेके
Fair
जाऊँ,
enough,
है ना?
fair enough.
फिर but after 45 I'm just chilling in the mountains and just selling jewelry.
Best decision.
Yeah, that's
Better
the-
life. The life is better there.
Like, I'm so happy to hear you say it because the fact that you're an actor, it's very difficult for some people who are in the limelight, जिसको fame मिल जाती है, cut off करके detach करने
Yeah,
के लिए ना,
yeah.
आदत सी नहीं हो जाती है?
मेरी तो नहीं हुई यार. मुझे it's actually I don't feel at home with so much of attention. I enjoy being on set. I enjoy performing. I like validation and appreciation. But anything that restricts me, that I do not enjoy. So I'm still learning to enjoy everything, enjoy promotions, enjoy this. I enjoy because हम लोग
जानते हैं.
conversations कर रहे हैं, हम एक दूसरे को जानते भी है, कॉलेज में थे तो काफ़ी ईज है, हमें पता है कि हम लोग एक नॉर्मल कॉन्वर्जेशन करने
Correct.
वाले हैं. तो आई एम ऑल्सो वार्मिंग अप and understanding and exploring.
I remember the college Fatima because you were such a pretty girl and I remember you used to
Was
love
I?
wearing kajal. Yeah. I know you were in your goth era.
Yeah,
That's what I remember very
oh
well.
my God.
Fatima in her goth era with like kajal and you had like that fringe and black.
Side
Yeah, full
Oh,
on. You
God.
got it, and being actively involved in like cultural festivals,
Yeah.
and so I think that bug had already bitten you. It's just that you were not probably open, and I still feel it. I don't know. I could be wrong, as you also rightly said that you're not very open to the attention,
Yeah.
the media frenzy
Yeah.
that's happening. Pata hai part of the job, hai, but you'd rather be secluded.
My
Yeah.
body language only becomes like that.
Yeah, yeah,
It
yeah,
does.
yeah.
Suddenly I forget how to pose. Suddenly ऐसे रहता है कि suddenly आपको सीधा चलना नहीं आता है. I think even in college I was very much because also I was in the arts department.
Yeah, same.
ना. हाँ,
Same,
तो
same.
वो एक कमरे में ही होता है. आप अपने में रहते हो, पेंट करते हो, बाहर आते हो, थोड़ा इंटरेक्शन होती है. But
Yeah.
largely you're in your this little room.
Bubble only, yeah.
Yeah.
And I also, so my mom tells me this, I had developed a very bad hunch because I did not want to be open to people. So
Yeah.
this is my way of cocooning myself and like running around
Yeah.
and hiding from people. Of course, now I'm a different person. I'm not that introvertish anymore.
Correct.
But back in school and
Correct,
college, I had a different personality
Correct.
trait. उन्हें ऐसे छुप छुप के जाती थी मैं, किसको देखे ही नहीं मुझे.
हाँ.
Nobody should spot
बालों
me.
के पीछे छुपना,
हाँ,
bangs
वो
और-
kajal and bangs was only for that. There was no
Yeah.
other reason. Everybody thought we were in some era. No, I'm to hiding.
No, oh God, it's like you've taken me back to God knows what era. I remember I used to sit alone and doodle and Converse में अपने paint करती थी, दूसरे different laces पहनती थी. God.
We are all of that. But can I tell you something? Our college has given us a lot of gems. Huh? Everybody is doing something or the other now, and somehow
That's true.
in the entertainment fraternity,
That's
who
true.
knew?
Who would have thought?
वो singing, dancing करते करते we all landed
हो
up
गया.
somewhere here only. It
कुछ ना
just
कुछ तो हो
happened.
गया.
Crazy man, crazy.
बट वही है ना, कॉलेज में इतनी सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज होती है. मुझे लगता है सबसे ज्यादा आप सीखते हो कल्चरल इवेंट्स.
हाँ, हाँ.
क्योंकि एक तो सोशल इंटरेक्शंस होता है,
Correct.
आपको एक्सप्लोर करने को मिलता है. जैसे आई हैड नो आइडिया आई हैड अ क्रिएटिव स्ट्रीक. इट्स व्हेन आई गॉट इनटू द आर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट आई रियलाइज दैट एक्चुअली दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई कुड टेक इट एज अ करियर.
Correct.
फाइन आर्ट्स नाम का भी कुछ करियर चॉइस होता है. इट्स जस्ट दैट आई डिडंट अप्रोच इट, बट आई वुड हैव लव टू हैड माय पेरेंट्स सपोर्टेड इट.
Yeah, true. So speaking of family and parents as well, when you started off as a child artist, I'm sure बचपन में तो ये खुद के दिमाग में तो किसी के भी
बिल्कुल
नहीं
भी
आता कि मैं एक्टर बनूंगा या एक्ट्रेस बनूंगी या एज अ चाइल्ड एक्टर भी कुछ करूंगी. कोई ना कोई फैमिली में होता है जो पुश
100%.
करता है. Who is it in yours?
I think my parents, both of them,
Oh wow.
they wanted their children to be actors for some reason. I cannot understand why.
Did you ask them now?
नहीं, I don't know actually. I never asked. Good question. I should have asked them कि why did you?
Yeah, what clicked in your head that you thought we should become actors?
क्यों?
क्योंकि कहाँ हमारे वो जमाने में पेरेंट्स बोलते थे हटो पढ़ाई करो.
Also देखो, वो बेचारे माइग्रेंट्स थे. वो जम्मू कश्मीर से आए थे. हम लोग रहते थे कमालिस्तान के बाजू में. तो वो थे ना कि शूटिंग देखने आए. तो वो लोग हर शाम को शूटिंग देखने आते थे क्योंकि कमालिस्तान में होता ही था. पापा के दोस्त, स्टूडियो वाले दोस्त बन गए थे जो मैनेज करते थे. एंड आई थिंक समबडी, कोई कास्टिंग वाला होगा, कह रहे आप अपने बच्चों को डाल दो एक्टिंग में, तो उन्होंने बोला हाँ. सो आई थिंक इट जस्ट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम देयर बिकॉज दे वर ऑलवेज अराउंड where shooting was happening.
Yeah, I think that world really fascinated them
Yeah.
in some way or the other. Did you have an understanding that you're a pretty girl? Did you know?
No.
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 What are you saying?
So that's what I'm saying, that when you said that, I was like, huh? Because it's something that I've not, I don't know.
I think you're on. Okay, so I'll tell you why I asked you this question. I'm also somebody who has battled body image issues, so I understand. Like I get the vibe when you're cocooned a little bit, but you're in this field. I understand it. Hence I asked you. It takes a lot of external validation
Yes.
for someone to tell me कि
Realize.
अच्छा ठीक लग रही हूँ. Okay, फिर ठीक है.
Correct. So I agree. I have not thought of myself as a pretty girl. I thought I was cool. I'm not gonna lie. I used to think that I'm a very cool
girl, yeah.
I have my certain kind of a personality here, Mary. People have not seen it because I'm not out there in media. Like my personality is not
Yeah.
out there, so people don't know how I am. People assume that I'm a very serious person because of the choices of my roles.
Correct.
बट येस, बिकॉज कॉलेज में भी ना आई हैड अ क्रश ऑन सो मेनी पीपल. फिर कॉलेज के बाद में उन्होंने बोला हमारा भी था. मैंने तो बताया क्यों नहीं? क्योंकि मुझे तो तू पसंद था, बता देता तो फिर हम बॉयफ्रेंड होता.
वो तो भाई तो
पागल.
बताया क्यों नहीं दबा के. नो बट यू नो यू स्पोक अबाउट पर्सनालिटी, योर क्वर्कीनेस इज कमिंग आउट नाउ. फॉर एग्जांपल ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे जब somebody spoke about situationship and everything, you're like ये तो पहले भी होता था, अभी तो सिर्फ नाम आ गया. And I was like Fatima, this is what it is. Like you have those spunks that come out now. Probably झलक ज्यादा दिख रही है उसकी.
नहीं,
but
because I'm out there more ना.
yeah, now you're actually out there and
I'm
doing
actually
it.
out there more, and I'm a lot more comfortable in my own skin also, because abhi I don't care. यू नो व्हेन यू आर यंगर यू लाइक कि कैसे बात करते नहीं करते, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग नहीं आता, कुछ नहीं आता,
हाँ.
बोले कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, नहीं आता तो नहीं आता, क्या ही होगा,
क्या
बहुत
ही
लोगों को
होने
नहीं
वाला
आता,
है.
आई
Correct.
लर्न व्हाइल
हाँ.
स्पीकिंग. आई रिमेंबर व्हेन सानिया एंड आई वी वर डूइंग दंगल ड्यूरिंग द शूट. आमिर हैड सम स्पीच टू गिव टू सम स्टूडेंट्स, ठीक है, और हम लोग ऐसे पपलू के जैसे दो बच्चे बैठे हुए हैं, छोटे बाल बॉय कट, और वो बच्चों ने कुछ सवाल पूछ रहे, देर लार्जली आस्किंग हिम, एंड सडनली अ क्वेश्चन वाज पोज्ड टू मी एंड सानिया. सानिया तो फिर भी सुन रही थी, मैं तो सुन नहीं रही थी. तो मैं ऐसे हाँ
Full gawky
Full, like I was
behavior.
like क्या also I wasn't articulate, तो मुझे नहीं पता था बोलते कैसे हैं. मैंने लाइफ में कभी पब्लिक स्पीकिंग नहीं की है. मैंने लाइफ में कभी मैं स्टेज पे नहीं गई थी. तो व्हेन यू आर सडनली देयर इज अ माइक इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू ना, आई वाज सो नर्वस. मेरा हार्ट मेरे मुंह तक आ गया था. जबकि वहाँ पे मीडिया नहीं है, कोई नहीं, बच्चे हैं.
बच्चे हैं.
Even then I didn't know. And that I am learning now.
You're still evolving. अब तक you don't
No,
feel you've cracked it.
I'm growing. I am much more confident than I have ever been in my life. People, when they meet me in person, they assume
Yeah.
that I'm a confident person.
Correct.
But actually, I'm not. It really makes me very anxious. When I go to a party, I'm always anxious. I stand in one corner like. I wish I would smoke. क्योंकि if you're smoking, at least standing out and you can be alone.
Correct.
करेक्ट. तो अगर कोई इंसान स्मोक कर रहा है, अगर वो अकेला खड़ा है और वो स्मोक कर रहा है, कोई उसको क्वेश्चन नहीं
नहीं
करेगा.
करेगा.
बट अगर मैं ऐसी खड़ी हूँ साइड में, मैं देख रही हूँ, लोगों को लगेगा मैं सैड हूँ.
हाँ.
बट एक्चुअली मैं सैड नहीं हूँ. मेरे को एक तो बोर हो रहा है, दूसरा कोई इंटरेस्टिंग है नहीं पार्टी में जिससे मैं बात करूँ, और मुझे दो शब्द नहीं एक्सचेंज करने फालतू में स्मॉल टॉक्स.
Yeah.
But I am enjoying being there. So had I like not been in public, I would have been in the corners just looking at people, because I enjoy looking at people.
Yeah, you're an observer.
Oh, मैं
Wow.
खिड़की में बैठ के बस लोगों को देखती हूँ.
Wow.
It's so much fun.
Yeah, when I observe.
I enjoy it so much. क्योंकि मेरे और कुछ दिन होता है ना. There was one day मेरे यहाँ पे ना trees बहुत है, खिड़की से दिखते हैं. I don't know what that tree is called, जहाँ पे red flowers होते हैं, like a lot of red flowers, and they fell. So it was like a frame, beautiful frame, and everybody that went by had worn stripes for some reason. And हम लोग कभी नोटिस करते नहीं है. There are so many things that we see actually that is
Yeah,
beautiful in
true.
our daily life. जब actually हम लोग attention नहीं pay करते.
नहीं
So
करते.
I think I'm learning to be much more in the moment and actually see, actually look at people.
Right. And that helps in acting?
I think so. I don't know, but I'm actually enjoying the moment.
Can I ask you something? When let's say your personality type, ठीक है, जो observant है, जो खुद से अपनी कंपनी में खुश है, etc. right? But something about the camera, I'm sure, really gets you excited.
Yeah.
क्योंकि that personality
It's different.
is totally different.
So different.
What is that?
I don't know. I feel that I'm very comfortable. It's
Yeah.
like a safe space.
Yeah.
जबकि it can make you nervous.
Correct. बहुत सारे लोग कैमरा शाय हैं.
हाँ, मैं भी नर्वस हो जाती हूँ क्योंकि परफॉर्मेंस की वजह से. But it's still a safe space. I don't know. Like when I perform, I'm confident. My body language is confident. I am much more graceful. Suddenly, when the camera is off and I'm in my real life, all the grace goes away. I becomes this one dud, going clumsy, falling, talking nonsense, no clarity, or just all over the place.
Yeah.
But when I'm playing a character, I'm collected.
Yeah.
So, and for some reason, I can't take it to my real life. No matter how much I try, I'm an actor.
Yeah.
I do that day in, day out.
Correct.
If I have to play a character, I'm playing it.
Yeah.
Why can't I be this graceful in my normal life? And one day I decided, you know what? I'm going to walk a certain whole day. नहीं, भूल गई मैं. कुछ होता था, then suddenly my reaction would come out of
Yeah.
my body. So it's interesting.
But then, when you're in the public eye, is it okay or is it fine, or can you actually really be yourself, or do you still have to sort of tame yourself down?
I don't know, because मैं इतना जाती नहीं हूँ बाहर. मैं कुछ कभी जाती हूँ, मेरे moments होते हैं. कभी I enjoy going out, कभी I don't. Sometimes I like dressing up, sometimes I don't.
Yeah.
So I'm very moody. So I have not actually explored this world to know enough. and so that's why I can't,
But are you protecting yourself from exploring? Is this your own cocoon or what is it like? Or you genuinely don't
I'm
want to?
lazy. It
That's
doesn't
it.
excite me.
ठीक है.
See, if it excites me, I'm enjoying the promotions because it's exciting.
Because you have something to talk about. There's
Yeah,
a
I have
film.
something. There's an intention.
Correct.
There is clarity. It's well planned. There are other people.
Sure.
I am getting to learn from them. When Pankaj talks, he's so funny.
Yeah.
So I am looking at him and I'm thinking, ki how is he thinking? Like how come every time he speaks it's funny?
Yeah. And how come he's so present, right?
And he's listening and he's picking up something from the other person. So I am also learning from these things. I'm very curious. I think Pankaj has a great personality and the presence of mind. He's so funny. Even Anupam ji.
Yeah.
He has it's so great to see that he has a sense of humor about himself.
Yeah.
And he doesn't take his being too seriously, so it's interesting. And Dada also, the way he talks, so I'm just picking up and trying to learn, okay, where does this come from.
Yeah.
Like Ali is also, when he's doing these things ना, जो हमें बोलते हैं कि ये करो वो करो, normal bites, वो कुछ तो आड़ा करता है. And I always ask him कि तूने ये thought कहाँ से लाया? क्योंकि I want to be a better person and I'm just curious.
Yeah.
कि how do these people think? And why are, because the moment Pankaj ji opens his mouth, the way he talks, already people are clued in.
Yeah. We're there. We're just watching what he's
Everybody
doing.
is there. We are waiting to know what he's going to say.
Correct. Yeah.
It's
True.
I don't know how he does that. I think it was there with Irfan ji also.
Yeah, it was. He was also one of those, like, just the charmer by just existing.
It's
you
the
know,
quality of voice
and the brain.
Yeah,
Yeah.
even the quality of voice and how they so comfortable with their own language. I don't know what it is.
What stimulates you about acting the most?
That I get to learn so much because every character that I play, I've played strong characters, and चाहे वो इंदिरा जी हो या Geeta Phogat
Yeah.
ho, or all the characters that I've played, I've had to learn something. For Dak Dak I learned riding.
Yeah.
For Raat Rani I learned the Kashmiri dialect. Dangal ke liye Haryanvi and wrestling. Thugs ke liye I learned archery and stunt. So every time I'm learning something new, that excites me. बिकॉज मैंने पढ़ाई तो की नहीं है, तो जितनी पढ़ाई मेरी अब हो रही है असल जिंदगी में, बिकॉज ऑफ द कैरेक्टर्स दैट आई एम प्लेइंग, आई एम एक्साइटेड टू लर्न.
Right.
आई वांट टू नो अबाउट हिस्ट्री. आई वांट टू नो व्हाट इज द जर्नी ऑफ दिस कैरेक्टर.
What's the best feedback you've ever received from somebody from the fraternity about your work? And what was that particular character of yours?
Fortunately, I've gotten a lot of good compliments from the people that I admire. Like I admire their work. So सब अच्छा ही है. ये अच्छा perform किया, ये अच्छा है, वो अच्छा है. But the thing is that it's interesting, the things that I felt is not working or that I'm not good in this scene. Those were the scenes that people liked.
Give me an example.
Like, have you seen Raat Rani?
Yeah, I've seen Raat Rani.
There's one breaking down moment where I yell
And screaming.
That was my first take. And for some reason, I felt that I'm not doing what I had planned to do. I had imagined that I will take the, scene a certain way, modulate it certain way, take my emotions here and here and here and whatever. I wanted to play with it. Every time I did my rehearsals, I would get it. But on the day of shoot, एक तो light जा रही थी because it was supposed to be shot in, so 2-3-4 ही takes थे. And I felt that I huggled. I felt like I huggled royally. But people really liked
Like
that
that
scene.
scene.
And I got a lot of compliments for that. और मेरे को लगा है तो actually, और ये सच है, पता है, जब आप बहुत vulnerable होते हो ना, जब आपको लगता है कि shit मैं हग रही हूँ, ये नहीं होगा, ये गलत हो रहा है, सब wrong है, मुझे acting नहीं आती है, कुछ तो बहुत प्यारा आ जाता है because you're so vulnerable. Suddenly all your guards are down and you're like almost like that.
Yeah.
तो perform acting का ना कुछ हम लोग calculate नहीं कर सकते. It's just too real.
But one compliment that really stayed with you.
Nothing. ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
Wow.
Yeah.
You can detach.
हाँ, मैं इतना seriously लेती हूँ.
So it's the same with if somebody's giving you a critical thing also, opinion also about your work, you're okay with it.
I'm okay with it because I want to learn. तो अगर किसी को ऐसा लगा है, but मैं उस इंसान का opinion value करनी चाहिए. only then I'll take it seriously.
So when I asked this thing to Nawazuddin Siddiqui also, he told me, he's like, I will take that person's opinion who's done that umda kaam to give me that, and probably has an understanding of the
Correct,
field. And I was like,
correct,
yeah, that's such a valid point. क्योंकि बोलते तो सब लोग हैं, फिर ट्रोलर्स भी बैठे हुए हैं, सोशल मीडिया पे हजार लोग बैठे हुए हैं.
पर आपको एक्चुअली क्या है ना, अगर आपको क्रिटिसिज्म मिलता है आपको डिडक्ट करना है उससे कि आपको बेसिकली वो लोग कहना क्या होता है ना, लॉट ऑफ टाइम पीपल से कि जमा नहीं क्या जमा, वो लोग भी आर्टिकुलेट नहीं कर पा रहे क्योंकि वो आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर पा रहे प्रॉब्लम को.
Correct.
तो आपको रीड बिटवीन द लाइंस करना पड़ता है. अच्छा ये रोल जमा नहीं, क्यों नहीं जमा? अच्छा नहीं यार वो ओवर थोड़ा था, ओवर नहीं था, ऑनेस्ट नहीं था, क्योंकि अगर ऑनेस्टली ओवर किया होता तो वो करेक्ट होता. तो यू हैव टू डिड्यूस के एक्चुअली व्हाट इज दैट पर्सन ट्राइंग टू से.
Right. Are actors thick-skinned?
I don't know, I'm so very thin skinned. I get affected by everything. I'm very, my heart is soft. I saw this film the other day, Stolen. Abhishek Banerjee.
Abhishek Banerjee.
Have you seen
Yes, Amazon yesterday. So I know.
it? और मैं स्क्रीनिंग पे थी और वो जो सीन है ना लिंचिंग वाला,
I met him just yesterday.
बाप रे, वो मैं I was sitting with Vijay only and I was like I can't watch it. I stepped out and I was like shaking like this, and then Vikram, Aditya Motwani, Abhishek Banerjee, and I'm not sure if Karan was there, Tejwal the director, and some more people were there. And they're like, what happened? Film khatam ho gaya? No, I can't do it. No, it's too much. Why are you guys doing this to me? And then I said, and they were like, pani chahiye, pani. And this is the second time that has happened. Last time also Black Warrant mein dekhne gayi thi and Vic was there. And I came out of the screening and everybody's like, wow. And I'm like shocked. Because second episode tha. So Vikram was like, are you okay? Everybody started giving me water because I was literally trembling. I get deeply affected by violence or such emotional scenes.
Yeah.
मतलब मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते हैं, और जो anything that's too real ना,
Yeah.
and close to home, because both of that is close to home. It's too real.
Yeah.
न्यूज़ भी नहीं पढ़ती मैं, ऐसा मैं देखती हूँ, मैं फटाफट हटा देती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे पता है क्या हो रहा है और मुझे वो नहीं देखना है. मुझे इतना रियलिटी में मत ले.
Did you see all of this growing up? That's why the fear?
No, it's there. You open your news, कोई भी खोलो,
Yeah.
हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ होता है. हर दिन ऐसा कोई ना कोई न्यूज़ है वायलेंस का या किसी लिंचिंग का या पता नहीं क्या, मॉब मेंटालिटी ही. क्योंकि मॉब में ना किसी का सोच नहीं होता है.
Correct.
मॉब में एक अजीब सा कुछ, सब ने ऐसे मतलब अजीब से हो जाते हैं. ह्यूमैनिटी इज आउट ऑफ द विंडो. मॉब मेंटालिटी इज बिकॉज देयर इज नो इंडिविजुअल मेंटालिटी. हियर truth or positivity or empathy doesn't exist. In mob, all of that doesn't exist
at all. True.
Only hatred exists. So but हम मॉब में रेवोल्यूशन भी देखते हैं, हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखते हैं, सेलिब्रेशन भी देखते हैं, बट वो पता है मॉब कैसा है, उनको ना स्प्लिट पर्सनालिटी है. कब वो अच्छे से ट्रिप हो जाएंगे पता ही नहीं चलेगा.
True, that's true. Okay. On a lighter note, tell me, Eid's just around the corner. What are your plans? Are you going to be celebrating this year? Were you going to be with the family? What's it like?
What is around the corner? Eid. I'll meet my friends.
That's how you celebrate Eid? I'm a biryani lover. I'll call up all my friends and
No,
I'll
I'm
go
a
and have
vegetarian
biryani.
ना, तो I
You're the full opposite.
I'm full opposite.
I love it.
Yeah.
Did you turn vegetarian by choice or were you always vegetarian?
No, I'm मतलब मेरे तो मीट खाते हैं भाई, मुसलमान लोग हैं तो नहीं, बट वो हलाल होते हुए देखा था यार बचपन में. तो वो उसके बाद सदमा लग गया. पहले तो मटन छोड़ा, फिर लगा के किसी ने बोला मटन भी, चिकन को भी तो दुख होता है. मैंने बोला बात तो सही कही है. चिकन छोड़ा, फिर लगा कि यार मच्छी भी छोड़ ही देते हैं. अब उसको भी लगता होगा बुरा, उसको भी दर्द तो होता ही है. मच्छी आवाज़ नहीं करती है लेकिन
पेन तो हो रहा है.
होता ही है. तो मच्छी के साथ थोड़ा मेरा है, आई गिव इन एंड आई समटाइम्स आई हैव फिश, समटाइम्स आई डोंट, but I have my phases. But meat I don't eat at all.
Wow.
Seafood, amazing. Sometimes I go in and come out. Whenever I feel a lot of guilt, I leave it for 2 years, 3 years. Then I'll have it for 6 months. So that I struggle with that largely. But meat I can't. It's just...
Now it's done and dusted. You've seen it. You're like my mom. She's also seen it and now she's like, I can't go back to it. Yeah.
Seen se zyada worse. You take care of the bakri. प्यार करते हैं. And then you halal it. And for a child to see that, basically you're killing my empathy. Why would you do? You're desensitizing me.
Yeah.
and at such a young age. So we don't allow, in my brother and I, we don't allow in our family to do this.
That's amazing. That's very sweet.
हाँ, मतलब
So
नहीं
this is
जमता.
your plan is going to be to just chill with your friends and have a good time.
Yeah,
and-
yeah.
Nice. That's also good.
Yeah.
Okay, what's coming up next for you?
What's coming? आप जैसा कोई and Gustakh Ishq. Then one show also I done. Hopefully it'll release this year. So I'm excited because I have interesting romance है. मैंने पूरी जिंदगी में जितना रोमांस नहीं किया जितने ये साल कर लिए. 3 romantic films कर लिए.
Fab, no?
हाँ,
ये
मस्त
तो
है.
करना ही होता है eventually. Also, you know, I have to say this to you. You've worked with 2 people who I really like and admire. One is Ratna Pathak ji.
Yeah.
And of course now it's Neena Gupta ji.
Yeah.
Like what a stunner, yeah. What a
Look at them,
stunner.
yeah. Every time, look at Neena ji. Every time she comes, she's so stunning,
Yeah.
and she carries herself with such dignity. It's incredible. You see her and you're like, "Hey, क्या confidence है इस औरत में." But I didn't get to do scenes with her, so I missed my opportunity to work with her, like share the screen. But Ratna Pathak is amazing.
Yeah.
She's
Acha, off screen, you all must have had some conversations, right? With Neena ji also, with Ratna ji also.
No, na.
Nothing,
with
no
Neena,
chat. Okay, because you all
I've
didn't have any
no.
shows together,
तो
scenes.
हाँ प्रमोशन के समय मिले बट वो भी you know how promotions are
Yeah,
very
they're
hectic.
very hectic. And everybody is like just trying to be present and do what they have to do at that
Yeah,
given point in time.
yeah.
Hopefully, maybe you'll get to work with her also
Yeah,
soon and
inshallah.
everything. Has your idea of love changed after Metro?
No Metro में तो you get to there are all shades of love there in that film but no यार I love I enjoy being in love I enjoy breakups also not in a good way but
Yeah, I was just going to be like, how Fatima?
no I love देखो हार्ट ब्रेक में भी ना एक मजा है क्योंकि हम एक्टर्स हमें रोने धोने में बड़ा मजा आता है दिल टूट जाए तो उसमें भी एक हम रोमांस ढूंढ लेते हैं कि हाय मेरी जिंदगी खत्म हो गई है देन यू रियलाइज नहीं जिंदगी खत्म नहीं होती है ऐसे एक इंसान की वजह से बट वो पूरा बेहाल हो जाना प्यार में वो उसमें बहुत मजा है to surrender to love is also very beautiful
Yeah.
I have become a little jaded so I'm a little hesitant to give in completely but I actually sometimes wish that I could just surrender because when I have surrendered I have thoroughly enjoyed it I love it.
Is there a particular actor whose journey, when you look at right now, you sort of get very inspired by their arc?
I love Priyanka Chopra. I feel that she's had a great journey. She's come in this industry. She was this glam girl, but she's done such strong and layered characters. बर्फी में क्या नाम था उनके कैरेक्टर का?
Jilmil.
Correct. Jilmil ka. You know, we've seen her play such strong characters. So I love her journey. Then she went out and then she found herself again and started. And you see her interviews, and like, there is no ego in her because she was like, I'm okay to start to begin again.
Yeah, and introduce myself
And to
again.
introduce
Lovely.
myself, and there is such that's so humble. Then I also love Kangana because the time when she arrived and the choices that she made and the risks that she took, being an outsider, but highly intelligent. Because when you know there are times when you go back and you're just seeing interviews of actors that you जिसका काम आप admire करते हो, and वो तभी भी ना she had a very clear understanding of world
Correct.
and what is right and what is wrong in that such tender age. And she was very young and very articulate, and that I was wondering ki, where does that come from?
You know, you're also a sapiosexual. Intelligence attracts you.
Of course, yeah.
I'm getting that vibe as well from you because I'm also that person. मैं appearance बाद में देखूंगी
क्या
दिमाग, yeah, like, and that's also the women you've named also come from exactly that
Yeah,
space.
yeah.
They have that intelligence,
Yeah.
they have that understanding, and
Yeah.
I sort of feel also the guidance in knowing where they want to go with their ups and downs
Of
and
course,
shares
of
or
course.
whatever mistakes
I
they all
mean,
make.
देखो कोई white या black नहीं होता, सब grey होता है. You with every actor or any person that you admire, they have a journey that sometimes you resonate with their
Correct.
that
At that
person's
point.
journey or you don't. But that doesn't mean कि वो जो aspect था जिसने आपको inspire किया वो cut out हो जाए.
हाँ.
वो नहीं होगा. हर इंसान एक human है, उस grey shades होते हैं, सारे shades होते हैं. People grow, change, evolve, and so do you. You resonate with a person that you admire for a while, even that's okay.
Yeah.
So I'm very detached in that sense. I only take and learn from people that I like, but only to a certain point. Who am I to chastise them?
True. What's the most वाहियात piece of advice जो आपको मिली होगी इस industry के बारे में? और सबसे अच्छी वाली भी?
इस इंडस्ट्री के बारे में
हाँ, होता है ना, सब बहुत टिप्पणियाँ करते हैं लोग.
नहीं, सबसे ज़्यादा इरिटेटिंग होता है जब भी मैं किसी से मिलती हूँ, बोलती गॉसिप बताओ ना इंडस्ट्री की, क्या हो रहा है, ये क्या हो रहा है. मतलब मैं क्या पेज 3 हूँ? मुझे खुद को नहीं मालूम. तुम्हारे पास होगा तो तुम बताओ, क्योंकि मैं घर से बाहर निकलती नहीं हूँ, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं है आप क्या जानना चाह रहे हो. तो ऐसे रैंडम चीज़ें बहुत आती है. और आप ये कर लो, आपने ये रोल क्यों नहीं किया, अरे आप ना ये, लाइक इट्स सो इजी कि क्या यार वो नहीं करना चाहिए था, आपको तो ये करना चाहिए, आप क्या ऐसे बैठे हो. वो होता है ना कि करियर चॉइसेस की एडवाइस, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. यू नो सम पीपल
Are there?
हाँ, दोज आंटी
उच्च,
अंकल्स.
हाँ, उच्च कोटि के हैं वो. खुद के बारे में जब गॉसिप लिखी जाती है तब कितना बॉदर करता है.
पहले करता था, अब नहीं करता. अब तो मुझे इट्स जस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग, यू नो, व्हेन यू रीड एंड द नैरेटिव दैट पीपल हैव क्रिएटेड अबाउट यू, इट्स जस्ट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. क्योंकि फिल्म मेकर है सब लोग, सब में सब राइटर्स है, बहुत अच्छा स्टोरी आर्क
बना
और
दिए.
जर्नी और कैरेक्टर आर्क सब बना लिया, तो काफ़ी अच्छी बात है. बट ऑल्सो वन यू हैव टू रियलाइज दैट यू आर नॉट the most important person. Not everything is about you. If somebody is talking about you, it's only for that 1 or 10 seconds. After that, सबके लाइफ में बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. वो ये सोच रहे हैं कि वो लोग के बारे में कौन दुनिया क्या सोच रही है उनके बारे में.
True, and people move on also then.
Everybody,
eventually.
even if we are talking about somebody, we'll talk about that person for what, 5 minutes max.
हाँ.
अपने 24 घंटे के 5 मिनट आपने दिए, और वो भी हर दिन नहीं दोगे, बिकॉज इतनी सारी चीज़ है.
Correct.
So आप you realize that all of this is so fleeting.
Yeah. Have you seen Sania's work, Mrs. recently?
I haven't seen Mrs. But she's a fabulous actor.
Yeah.
I think she's so incredible. She's, you know, even as a dancer, it's so nice to see her dance, because that's a strength. And I have to seen her, and it's nice that she's getting to showcase that part also.
Yeah. You know why I'm saying this? Because back in the day, I think early 2000s, you know, always Preeti and Rani would be put together, and then you guys started together, so it's always like Sania Fatima, Sania Fatima.
Yeah.
It's just a thing, right? It happens. Yeah, and then now that's why it's very interesting to know like how you all have actually carved different journeys for
Yeah.
yourselves also.
Yeah.
So it's good to see whether you enjoy each other's
No,
work or
of
not.
course I do enjoy her work, and I think she's doing so well.
Yeah.
And I'm so happy for her. It's just that ki, you know, our choices are made because of what we are or what we are going through in our lives, and people just see the, you know, the outcome or what's there on the surface, but life is beyond that.
Yeah.
You know, there is one person might choose to do something, the other person might choose to do something else, and it's a journey. So sometimes people need to be like कि चलो chill करो यार, तुम अपनी जियो. वही है, ज़्यादा कुछ इतना मैं सीरियसली नहीं लेती हूँ.
Okay, before I wrap this up, tell me what's that one thing about you that makers don't know yet that you have to offer?
That even I don't know.
Ah.
No, seriously, I feel I am exploring myself as an actor on every project that I do. I like to do things that I cannot do. मुझे लगता है कि अगर मैं ये नहीं कर सकती हूँ, मुझे वो सीखना है. So I don't know what I have to offer, but I know that I can learn anything.
And if you could today, you know, as an observer purely go back to any of your sets,
Yeah.
तो आप कौन से set पे जाती और क्या observe करती, खुद के या लोगों के बारे में?
मैं हर सेट पे करती हूँ, बहुत चीज़ें ऑब्जर्व करने के लिए. आई ट्राई टू ऑब्जर्व पीपल एज, यू नो, how they behave on set.
Okay, time travel. Take me to the set of Dangal, because that was your first. There's Amir. There is
One thing that I observed about myself, and that I'm a fool, I was very much into my head. I was just constantly anxious.
And you were not starstruck because you were working
No.
with somebody like Amir Khan.
No, I was in my head, yeah. Also, I was a child actor. I've seen actors.
हाँ, वो भी है.
I'm from Bombay. For me, actors ऐसे नहीं है कि ओ star. मुझे किसी के लिए नहीं है, खाली शाहरुख के लिए था. That too when, you know, see, of course I'm a fan, but I'm also
An actor yourself now.
Also, yeah, and also I've been a child actor. I've been around actors. I've worked with Kamal Hassan. I've worked with great actors. So मेरे लिए ये नहीं है कि कोई गॉड आ गया. मेरे लिए है कि हाँ परफॉर्मर आ गया. Also, if you're a Shahrukh Khan fan, you're Shahrukh Khan fan. You're not somebody else's fan, you know.
Yeah.
So for me, I was like, हाँ great opportunity मिली है, okay, but this role is fucking difficult.
Yeah.
So now I have to crack that.
Yeah.
My whole attention and my being was in cracking that. और कुछ मेरे दिमाग में था ही नहीं.
Have you met Shah Rukh now after turning an actor?
Of course I did. I met him at some party वार्टी इधर उधर and I'm just मैं ज़्यादा बोलती नहीं. I'm your fan. He knows every time I meet at every party and I hi करके मैं चली जाती हूँ.
I'm your fan क्योंकि उससे ज़्यादा you are not going to talk
hi
only.
करके, like I blush and I go.
Okay.
Like I admire his work. I think he's an incredible person. You see his speeches,
Yeah.
he speaks, he's so articulate and he makes a lot of sense. हर मुद्दे के बारे में there are these small clippets on Instagram that go,
Yeah.
it just resonates even today.
Yeah.
And he's spoken about them when he was younger.
Yeah, true.
But they were so ahead of time.
Yeah.
Even then.
The one that I remember is I'm beautifully detached. I was like, वाह ये तो अब हम use करते हैं. We are beautifully detached
Yeah.
क्योंकि और तो कुछ मिल ही नहीं रहा है. But on that note, Fatima, this was a great chat. I am very excited for Metro. Like my excitement is next level क्योंकि जैसे मैंने trailer launch पे भी कहा था, that's the kind of love that I want क्योंकि मेरे emotions dead हो चुके हैं. तो अब अगर ये picture ही जगा
jaded
सकती
ना.
है तो हाँ
हाँ,
jaded full
same,
on.
same.
तो यही जगा दे भाई इसी से ही देख लेंगे whether I do feel love again or
No,
not.
you will. I think it happens when you meet the right person.
Yeah.
Also,
Where is our right person?
it'll come. लड़कों की कमी है. I know every girl that you meet, सब लोग ये बोलेंगे लड़के कहाँ हैं? लड़के तो है ही
But
नहीं.
where isn't it easier for actors?
How?
But there are so many beautiful people around you all
That
the
doesn't
time.
matter.
हाँ, sapiosexual again, brain.
What are you going to do with those beautiful people? Everybody's in their head. And where are we meeting them?
True.
You go on set and you're working and you come back home. You know them. You're spending enough time to know कि हाँ, good friends, great. हाँ. But you don't really resonate with them.
Also, you don't even make enough friends, right? वो friends momentary नहीं होते.
हाँ, बहुत momentary
Yeah.
होते हैं.
Acquaintance is what I like to call
Yeah.
everybody who I meet and I work with.
I form very deep connections with everybody that I work with.
Yeah.
But when you're away from set, it's tough to stay in touch.
Yeah.
Like I love Diya Mirza.
Yeah.
But हमारी उतनी बात ही नहीं होती. हम बोलते मिलेंगे but वो रह जाता है.
हाँ.
Shonali is the only person that I have managed to stay in touch. Shonali Bose.
And nobody else. You don't have like a 2 a.m. friend from the industry, except Shonali.
No, I अगर कभी ऐसा हो तो मैं करती हूँ. Then there is AK, Anil sir.
Yeah.
अगर कभी लाइफ में कोई चाहिए कि कोई
AK
आपको
is
hype
Anil
कर-
sir or Amir Khan? I'm
नहीं,
confused. Anil
sir,
Kapoor. sir,
Everybody
yeah.
calls him AK.
Yeah.
So अगर लाइफ में whenever you're low and you want ऐसा somebody to hype you, he is the man.
Yeah, Lakhan.
He is the man. कुछ नहीं, all the best, you're the best. I'm like, हाँ, okay, I'm the best. Yes, I'm the best. पहले I'm sure, yeah, I'm the best. No, I'm the best. So it's amazing to speak
Yeah.
to him. He's a great guy.
Yeah.
And there's just so much of positivity that he exudes.
True.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
So I love him.
Great. And I'm looking forward to your work and your projects
you.
also because this is the year where we see you in a very romantic avatar,
Yes.
which is nice now. क्योंकि अभी आप दंगल वंगल में नहीं हो.
हाँ यार.
अब आप अभी वो listen also by the way, kudos. There is such a young time in your career. You picked up a role in Sam Bahadur. मतलब फट जाती है. Sorry to say
मेरी
this,
भी
but
फटी हुई थी.
it's a tough one to take on, yeah. Because again, you're dabbling with somebody who's already an iconic personality.
Yeah, but also it's Meghna yaar. You with a director who's that good, you know that you're in safe hands. कितना ही गलत जाओगे. See, also that is Meghna's Indira. And Meghna is very clear कि उसको क्या चाहिए. उसको पता है कि मुझे इतना चाहिए, ये सुर चाहिए, ये टोन चाहिए. So you just have to surrender.
Yeah. Did you happen to see Emergency after? Because Kangana also played Indira.
No, but I love Kangana.
Yeah,
I love
she's a
her.
vibe.
I think
Yeah.
I जो भी teaser trailer देखा, she's so good.
Yeah, it's tough to get the dialogue and everything like proper,
Proper, but
you all did it.
also-
Kudos to both of you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much,
Thank you
Fatima.
so
I'm going to see you super soon. I hope so.
Yes.
And then we'll have more to talk about, which you can talk about. अभी तो हम सिर्फ मेट्रो की बातें करेंगे. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much everybody for watching and please do like, share and subscribe to Varinder Chawla's page. Thank you.
Thank you.